The Pump Horsepower Interactive Calculator helps you determine power requirements and performance metrics for pump systems. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose hydraulic horsepower water HP, brake horsepower shaft HP, motor horsepower required, flow rate from known HP, total head from known HP, or pump efficiency from measured HP. For this demonstration, we'll use hydraulic horsepower. Enter your flow rate in GPM, total head in feet, and specific gravity. Set your pump efficiency as a percentage between 1 and 100. Input your motor efficiency percentage also between 1 and 100. There's also a horsepower HP field and a brake HP measured field for other calculation modes. Let's calculate using 500 GPM flow rate, 150 feet total head, specific gravity of 1.0, 75% pump efficiency, and 92% motor efficiency. After clicking Calculate, we get our results. The hydraulic HP shows 18.94 HP. This represents the theoretical power required to move water at these conditions. The other output fields remain empty in this calculation mode since they apply to different calculation scenarios. This calculator streamlines pump sizing and selection for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.